Okay, so we're going to look at the intermediate value theorem. Sometimes I think of this as a theorem of common sense. If I give you 2 points here, let's say we're going to plug in 0 and we're going to plug in 2. Well, let's see what happens here. 0 cubed is 0 times 2 is 0. Minus 9 times 0 squared would be 0. 3 times 0 is still 0. And then plus 4. So the answer to that is actually 4. When I put in 2, 2 cubed is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. And add 4. So what we have here is a negative 20 plus 6 plus 4. So I think that's going to be a negative 14 plus 4 would be negative 10. Now what the intermediate value theorem states is that because this 0 led us to a positive 4 and this 2 led us to a negative 10, that somewhere between 4 and negative 10 is 0 because positive and negatives have 0 between them. So somewhere between 0 and 2 is actually the 0 to this problem. So the intermediate value theorem says we could close in on that, we could work our way down there to find it, but it's still somewhere between this positive number and that negative number. As long as there's a change in signs, it's still somewhere to be found between these values. Now, where is it exactly? That's yet to be determined. But the intermediate value theorem just states there is one in between a positive and a negative.